The sun rises in the east. Oh, we are all here for a physical feast. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Good morning. Good evening, sir. I welcome you all to Nelly Toastmaster Club's 338th meeting, a festival meeting. A big round of applause once again. Toastmasters International aims at empowering individuals to develop their communication as well as their leadership skills, so that they become better communicators and leaders in the real world. The mission of Toastmasters is very simple. We don't create just leaders and communicators. We create very good human beings as well. In order to conduct the meeting without any hassle, I request each and every one of you to put their mobile phones either in silent, shut them down, or else you can give it to me too. Number two, if you are going to communicate with other fellow Toastmasters or guests, use a piece of paper without distracting the speaker. Number three, I request all the speakers on stage to refrain themselves from taboo topics such as sex, religion, and politics. Toastmaster International suggests us to wear formal attire, but since it is season time, we are okay to alter that, but you are rude. So without any ado, I hereby welcome the captain of this ship, the president of Medley Toastmasters Club, and the presiding officer for today, Toastmaster Sunil Jose, on stage.
Fellow Toastmasters and guests, very warm good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I wish all of you a happy and prosperous Pongal. This is the 338th meeting of Medley Toastmasters Club and the fourth meeting of 2016. I declare this meeting open. When I was young, I used to keep one small rose plant in a pot near the window of my room. Every day when I woke up, I looked at this rose plant. I could see this was looking out. So I turned around the rose plant to have a better view of the rose flower. But next day again, the rose plant would tweak itself and look towards the window. I tried again and again, but finally I realized that was a futile exercise. Because plants always look at bright side. They never look at darkness. We Toastmasters are like plants. We always look at the positive sides of our life. And that is why we attend meetings, Toastmaster meetings. Because this is a place where you hear stories which inspire you, motivate you, persuade you. The minimum guarantee of a Toastmaster meeting is that you would be walking out of this hall with some positive thinking in your mind. Welcome once again to this wonderful special meeting of our club. Every Toastmaster meeting has a set agenda, a definite agenda. And before that, I request anybody who is not a member of Medley here could you please introduce yourself? Yeah.
I am Priyanka. I'm in my final year of bachelor's in information technology, and I'm doing it in SSN. I came to know about Toastmasters through Delhi, and this is my first time.
Welcome to the meeting.
Hello, my name is Dhavi Arjun. I'm from Chennai Communications Toastmasters.
Okay, welcome.
Good afternoon. I'm Srihari. I'm from Chennai Express Coast, the corporate club from Vodafone.
Welcome to
I'm working in Cognizant
Okay, you're part of Cognizant,
Yeah.
No, no. Okay. Oh, sorry. Welcome to the room. Yeah.
I'm Nitya from Ilayaraja. I want to watch this. So happy I'm here.
Welcome to the special meeting. Dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, every Toastmaster meeting has a definite agenda. And there will be a person who controls this meeting. And we call that person Toastmaster of the Day, TMOD. Today's Toastmaster of the Day is one of the youngest Toastmasters of this club. She joined almost 7-8 months before, but she's one of the most active members of this club now. Not only this club, even outside the club. She has been part of the conferences, speech craft programs and all. She's a management graduate student. I'm really happy to welcome young and dynamic Toastmaster of the Day, Toastmaster Anusha.
Thank you, Sunil, for the intro. I don't know how far that is true. But anyways, yeah, I'm super excited to be the Toastmaster today, that too for a special meeting like this. Pongal celebration. Happy Pongal, everyone.
Happy Pongal.
Yes. Last week I had given a speech about first memories, how beautiful they are. And it stirred Priyanka so much that she chose me to be the Toastmaster of the day for the first time, so that I add more memories, first memories to my memory bucket. So thank you, Priyanka, for this. And getting back to business, I am Anusha, the Toastmaster of the day. My role is more or less like an MC. So the good part is I will guide you throughout the meeting. But the bad part is you will have to keep looking at me throughout the meeting. Can't help it. So yeah, as a Toastmaster of the day, it's my responsibility to tell you about the theme of the day. So since it's Pongal, I thought it should be something about Pongal traditions, etc. And last week there was this comedy show in Vijay TV, which was like, the comedian came and he was like, he said one valuable point. He was like, please do not cook Pongal in a cooker. Cook it in a pot. That's the tradition. That's when this struck me. We are moving away from traditions in the name of modernization, westernization. We are trying to adapt US culture and other British culture, etc. That we are moving away from our tradition. So it's time to stick to our tradition as well as make it as much as like compatible to this current situation. So I thought this should be the theme of today. And the speakers are encouraged to use the theme of the day while giving their speeches or evaluations. And audience, I request you to please applaud when they do so. So typically a Toastmaster session is split into 3 segments. First one goes like, I'm telling this for the purpose of the guest and for the sake of the guest. So the first session goes like prepared speeches, and then comes the table topic session, and then the evaluation. So prepared speeches, people, Toastmasters are given a few number of days to prepare, to come up with a topic of their own and prepare and give a speech out here. So the purpose is to improve the presentation skills. A script may be wonderful, but if it's not delivered in the right way, it doesn't make any impact. So this section is aimed at that. So to help them, to aid them in this process, we have a set of evaluators. Evaluators help them to improve their speech. They give critical and positive comments so that they can improve it in the upcoming speeches. And in between these two, we have another session called as the impromptu speaking. You may also call it as a table topic session or on-the-spot speaking. We have a table topics master who will come here and who will give topics and pick people at random. So guests and non-role players, where he might call you. So be ready for that. And yeah, so as I said earlier, the 2 important aspects of speaking are, public speaking are, the script, a very good script, and the delivery. But apart from these, there are 3 major points which a speaker should bear in mind to outshow himself from the rest of the crowd. I don't want to brief about the 3 roles because we have another person to brief about that. And these 3, to help the speaker attain these 3 objectives, we have 3 people. And these 3 people have a common head. And he is called the General Evaluator. And today's General Evaluator is going to be Amit Kumar. He is an IT professional, and what he feels about the theme is that he accepts that we are moving away from the traditions in the name of modernization, but he believes that to some extent we are sticking to our traditions. So, welcome Amit Kumar.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anusha, for the nice introduction. I'm Amit Kumar. Today I'll be playing the role of General Evaluator. So I'll explain what I'll do in this evaluation session. So I'll conduct the evaluation session, and in this session, all the prepared speeches will be evaluated by a set of speakers. For this, I'll having a team who will help me throughout the meeting, and in Toastmaster we call them as a tag team. So I'll introduce each of the role player. So today the timer role will be played by a very experienced Toastmaster. He represented Medley in many division and district level contests. Recently, he represented Medley in district level international speech contest held in Sri Lanka. If someone asked me to say in short about him, yes, I have to say in short. He is proud of Medley Toastmaster Club. He is none other than the distinguished Toastmaster Guru sir.
Thank you very much. I come here to redefine Western wrestling traditions since I see them to be going on the wrong side. Life gives us all sorts of materialistic benefits only when you give back certain things as a product or a service or knowledge. It's traded as a commodity. But there is only one thing that is given to us even before we are ready to trade anything, even before we are ready to exchange it for a benefit, even whether we are ready to consume it or not, and that is called time. You are given a commodity called time to spend wisely or unwisely. It's up to you. The way you make use of it defines what you are. A good leader is supposed to use time very, very efficiently and intelligently. And that is why Toastmasters have insisted time management as one of the key qualities that all its members shall have. I am Guru Prasad, the timer of the day, your accountant managing your balance throughout this meeting for the performers and the audience. Let me read your income statement first. Every project speaker is given a time span of 5 to 7 minutes. He is supposed to spend those 5 to 7 minutes effectively to convey his message to the audience, and I will be reminding him about the level of his bank balance by showing various cards. When he crosses 5 minutes, I will be showing him a green card. When he crosses 6 minutes, I will show him an yellow card. When he crosses his ultimate balance of 7 minutes, I will show him the red card. However, Toastmasters is gracious enough to allow them to have a small margin to spend over and above the limits. 30 seconds before 5 minutes and 30 seconds after 7 minutes you are allowed to spend. Similarly, for the extempore table topics, the time limit, your investment is 1 to 2 minutes. You are allowed to speak up to 2 minutes starting from 1. I will be showing green at 1, yellow at 1, 30 seconds, and red at 3. Again, you have a margin of 30 seconds. For all evaluators, we have a time limit of 2 to 3 minutes. Again, 2 with green, 2.5 with yellow, and 3 with red, the same margin of 30 seconds. So I will be monitoring, managing your account, and be giving your expense statement at the end when G calls for the general.
Thank you, Master Guru, for explaining your role objectives. Today, the accountant role will be played by Toastmaster Joshua. He is from Puttur, Andhra Pradesh. Educationally, he is a very qualified person. He works for Caterpillar from last 12 years as a senior engineer. He likes to gain knowledge and face challenges. he has a good belief in himself and having a good learning habit. Toastmaster Joshua, please read your objectives.
Thank you. Hello Toastmasters and welcome guests. My duty as the accountant is to listen carefully for verbal distractions such as and so, but and other filler words or sounds. I will also keep track of the repeating words like da and I. Lastly, I keep track of long pauses when they are distracting. I will keep track of the number of the speaking errors in writing for each person that speaks and give a report when called upon at the end of the meeting. Over to Chandra.
Thank you, Toastmaster Joshua. Now it's time for the grammarian role. So today, the grammarian role will be played by a youngest Toastmaster of Medley. She is very energetic Toastmaster. If I'm not wrong, when she speaks, her energy can easily defeat bullet train. She is an amazing and effective speaker. She is a journalism student at MOP Vaishnav College. It is long list of her hobbies. She likes reading, writing, and traveling, and speaking, and learning languages, and dancing, and sketching also. So today the grammarian role will be played by Toastmaster Janani Suri.
Fellow Toastmasters and welcome guests. Today I'm going to be your grammarian, or as I like to call it, your English teacher. It's my responsibility to pay close attention to all speakers. I have to listen carefully to their language usage. I'll be taking note of any misuses of the English language as well as outstanding uses, quotes, sayings or thoughts. As grammarian, it's also my duty to introduce the word of the day. Today's word of the day is custom. Custom is a very old English word that means traditional and widely accepted way of behaving / doing something that is specific to a particular society. A way of using this word in a sentence is, the custom of Pongal is an old Indian tradition, or the old English custom of dancing around the maypole. Each speaker is encouraged to use the word of the day as well as the theme of the day in their speech. I will give a word of the day report, grammatical usage report, and good usage report when I'm called upon during the meeting. Over to you, General Advisor.
Thank you, Toastmaster Janani. So with this, I would like to give over the stage to Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Anusha.